Yeah.
This is the final straw I've had with all you frickin' trolls. I've had with all you frickin' trolls.
Right.
Back the gear to serving my beloved corps. You maggots understand our bullshit I kid. We're going. I'm now. We're
ground control.
What?
I learned it by watching you. No.
This
or E. No. Where's
Major.
only one?
Okay.
Combined with the
Jerry Jackson, you are that famous animator from What's on the Internet, so can we come...
Yeah. With intrinsic to with fetish renew I and it's spelt M-A-R M-A-L. It's a word that of word and in 40 editions of erotic and
here. It's just not for the Q&A. Okay. I got a question from It's Time I Do Snuff asking, do you read comic books? Do you accept Alan Moore and his ceremonial wizards as just not as your God Savior? We got another question from just not ultimate. Alright, let's ask the obvious question. What are your major inspirations and influences in your YouTube poops? Great fucking YouTube. I've been watching poops for 199 years and years since VI like when that. So a person that I really like into YouTube poops probably was like, actually exist. Do you believe in this conspiracy theory? These poopers just not there. Don't actually exist. Would you believe it? And favorite YouTube poop? Number 1, I'm pretty sure is Gotham City. For number 2, I'm not quite sure. Number 3, thanks. For the third one, Mike is a fucking genius. Rob GBA asks, sexuality? If you woke up with Gavin in your bed, what I'd say I'm straight, mate. I'd just not decided to have my gamertag be DrHotelMario. Then me and my friends on Xbox years later made the Dr. Clan. You like rap music? Who? Chad Wardo Nash. So I just put Doctor in front of it. And I just thought it was police. And if I saw Michael Roach in real life, the first thing I'd do would probably say hi. For the third one, first meet somebody. And lastly, Barbie Express 0208 asks, why does my pizza taste very soggy? And why does the airplane wobble every time I mess with the control system? How come Jupiter is so fucking big? Why does my PB&J sandwich stick to my... Can we survive in a vacuum-like atmosphere? For number one, I'd have to... I will just not put a cup in...
Strike inbound.
Also, I'd say, root negative 16, too. Daminator1234 asks, making good and enjoyable to watch YouTube poops. I haven't been pooping that long, so I can't really give that good of advice, but I guess...
Babysitter. Green plastic top dad used to go out. This meant that my brother went to babysit me. He hated it. You may think I'm a bit of a... Any other David Alexanders here? The food... Where or that not? This meant that my buns for the little cove. They're great. Could move in towards me. Stations with the two sides and the burger, hamburger roll or... Laura laughs if she sees a ball on the floor of the side that ball, and who just in May's mouth was chopping her mouth. If she sees a ball that or cool, and who just in May's mouth was chopping. You may think I'm a bit of a finger in. Green plastic top she sees very fast eating me. You may think I'm a bit of wood, and it was nothing. So I went out, looked to see what there was. He was so tempted, he couldn't help himself. So he helped himself. She thinks I'm going upstairs. Very fast. Eating me. Don't do. And who'd you eating? From the front door to my bedroom. Hamburger roll. And I'd get to speech syrup. So I drank toast a heap of syrup. If we were... Yeah.